Good morning, friends and families and followers and BD and LG. It's great to have you with me this morning. I finally made it to my car. So this is where I do most of my videos because I do not have internet upstairs in my house because I live at the top of an old tuberculosis hospital. So yeah, no internet. And it's quite scary. So and my car, because I spoiled myself, has internet all the time. So, yeah, a little secret. Might not be too long before I get to be living out of here, so I might as well get used to it.